it looks like I already had the salad already harvested. It was in the refrigerator. But this is straight from the garden. I was showing, I know you've probably already seen the shots of the garden that I have just in the living room in the corner. But look at all of this diversity of greens that I have here that I got from an indoor garden. It's just like 2 square feet and it has, I think, like 30 pods to grow 30 different plants, but tons of lettuces, like lettuces for salads. I have, this is green mustard. I also have some sage in here, quite a bit of sage and herbs, and thyme, lots and lots of thyme. It would take a long time. It takes quite a bit of time to like chew a salad. That's the only thing, is like, it takes like an hour to get through a salad. Like, you have to really kind of devote your time. You have to devote your time to eating healthy and taking care of yourself, but that's just something you have to invest in. Ooh, I have this big grapefruit. I wonder if I should eat that. Or I should probably wait till maybe tomorrow morning. I usually eat just half a grapefruit at a time. Ugh. I guess I'm not used to talking a lot because like whenever I do start talking, I start like, my voice cracks. It sounds like I'm going through puberty or like my voice is changing or sometimes. Okay, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do for dinner and talk to you soon. So I remember I had okra in the refrigerator that is kind of damp and I feel like it's going to probably go bad if I don't cook it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cook this up and maybe add it with some quinoa or something. Oh yeah, it's getting kind of slimy. Here's all the okra. This isn't the okra that I grew, but I got it at the store. That's what I should clarify. So I think I'm gonna slice these up. I'm having to like squat again because I have the camera in such a weird position. I'm trying to get my hands in the shot as well. Is that not a thing where you are? I grew up in the South. I'm from Texas, so I'm from the South where okra is plentiful, especially in the summer. And where like it's really warm in the summer too, so it's really easy to grow okra. Okra is a heat-loving crop. I actually grew okra in Houston. I grew it like into October, if not early November, through the summer into November because it was just really warm in Houston for such a long time. And now I'm growing it in my garden in the corner of my living room in New York City in November as well. Crazy. I believe you cook this like rice, so you do, I think, twice as much water as you would the quinoa. I did 1/4 cup of quinoa and 1/2 cup of water. Yeah, so we're gonna bring that to a boil. Okay, so it's Sunday evening. We're skipping ahead a full day, 24 hours. I think it's like 6:30 maybe in the evening right now. I think I'm gonna do this collagen mask that I was telling you about in my Yes Style haul. It says it's an aloe collagen mask. Sorry, my Invisalign right now is really impeding my ability to speak properly. But yeah, it has olive extract, collagen, and vitamin E. I got this in the Yes Style order. It was free to me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try that tonight. And then I'm gonna come in with the Ordinary moisturizer right on top just to seal that moisture in. I did a review of this moisturizer, of the Deciem or the Ordinary. Definitely check this one out. It's on the thicker side. It is really good at moisturizing, especially when you apply it to damp skin. Yeah, I also wanted to show you the moisturizer that I've been using for my hands lately. So it's no secret that in order to prevent the spread of germs, it's important to wash your hands. And I've been washing my hands more vigorously and religiously these past few months. And I started noticing that I was getting like these sort of dermatitis tight rashes on like my fingers. It was red and itchy, and I didn't really know like where it was coming from. I don't know if it was coming from just all the hand washing I was doing, or if it was from these UV gloves that I've been using. It might have been from the gloves, but exacerbated by the soap that I'm using for my hands. So I started using this CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. This isn't sponsored by CeraVe at all, but I put this next to my hand soap in the bathroom sink, and it has ceramides in it that help to restore the skin barrier. Ceramides are integral for the skin barrier protection. And I've been applying this to damp skin after I wash my hands, and it seems to be helping extremely. So I highly recommend this. You can buy this in the drugstore at CVS or Walgreens. You can buy it online, obviously. It's fairly inexpensive, but you get a lot. I think this is a 12 fluid ounce bottle. And yeah, so it contains 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So it's extremely moisturizing. It's on the lighter end, so in contrast to the Decium, the Ordinary, which is thicker, which is what I use for my face at night. I'll use this for my face sometimes, like if I take an early shower on the early side. Like I took a shower probably around 4:30 today. I use this on my face and the rest of my body. But definitely try this on your hands if you're experiencing hand dryness. And especially as we get into the winter, a lot of people will suffer from dry skin in the winter. I'm like itching my skin right now. It doesn't really itch, I don't know why I'm doing that. A lot of people suffer from dry skin in the winter, so it's definitely important to find something that is fragrance-free, as well as something that will definitely help to restore the integrity of your skin barrier. Do you like my fall attire right now, or my autumnal colors, my plaid? I actually really enjoy plaid quite a bit. I had this on earlier today. It was in the low 50s today walking around. Hi, okay, so I just wanted to quickly come and show you my Christmas tree, but also to close this vlog out, I brought the mask that I was going to wear, or I was going to use tonight, but I already washed my face, I already put a moisturizer on, so I'm going to be using this in next weekend's vlog. But I just wanted to come and close this vlog out with my Christmas tree and say thank you. We are very appreciative of you joining us this weekend. I hope you had a good weekend. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below, hit the subscribe button. It really helps me grow my channel, reach more people, and I really appreciate it. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you next weekend. Bye.